It is very nice to greet you again. In today's video we will talk about the following. What to do to make your ex realize what they lost. No contact is a powerful strategy when it comes to getting your ex back. If you've been through a breakup and want your ex to realize what they've lost, it's essential to understand why staying away can be the best strategy. Today, we'll talk about how important it is to let your ex miss you and why no contact is crucial to this process. How to make them realize what they've lost and why no contact works. 1. Indirect influence. One of the key aspects of no contact is indirect influence. You have to be careful with this because your mutual friends can sometimes make things worse by trying to help. If they share your pain and suffering with your ex, they'll tell them, "That's not good" at first. Instead, focus on showing positive changes in your life. Allow your mutual friends to see these changes without explicitly telling them to talk about your changes. If you mention this to your ex, it should seem natural. This also allows your ex to ask if you told them you missed your ex, etc. Your friends will probably be able to honestly say you didn't mention it. It's important for your ex to hear this. What do you think this tells your ex? It tells them that you're focused on something else, that you're strong enough to continue living your life, and that you could date someone else. 2. You should excel in areas where they doubted you. If your ex doubted you in a specific area, this is the time to show improvement. Mutual friends may notice, and you can show it carefully and subtly on social media. Whether it's a new hobby, a career advancement, or personal development, excelling in these areas can indirectly show your ex that you're thriving without them. Avoid making it seem like you're announcing these changes specifically for your ex, as this can come across as desperation. 3. Avoid asking about your ex. A common mistake people make is asking mutual friends about their ex. This demonstrates curiosity and can make it seem like you're still attached to your ex and the relationship. Instead, it shows a lack of curiosity. When your ex asks your mutual friends if you've mentioned their name and your friends respond with a "no," it can frustrate and confuse them in a positive way. This lack of interest can actually increase your value in their eyes, as it suggests you're moving on and maybe they're not interested. 4. Take a trip. Taking a trip can be an effective way to show physical and emotional distance. Post photos of your trip on social media, but don't overdo it. Less can be more. The goal is to subtly show that you're moving on with your life and enjoying new experiences. This can make your ex feel like they're missing out on those moments and that you're becoming less accessible. Silence and intimacy. Silence is a powerful tool in no contact. Your ex will begin to miss the emotional intimacy you shared. They will have no access to your daily life, your thoughts, or your feelings. This absence can make them realize the depth of their loss. Building yourself up. Going no contact not only makes your ex miss you, it also strengthens you. This period should be used for personal growth and self-improvement. By becoming the best version of yourself, you increase your attractiveness and the chances that your ex will realize what they've lost. Personal development. Focus on the areas of your life that need improvement. This could be your career, your health, your hobbies, or your personal relationships. By working on these areas, you'll not only distract yourself from the pain of the breakup, but you'll also become a more attractive person overall. It's important to casually showcase these changes to mutual friends who might tell your ex about them. Confidence and self-esteem. Arrogance, self-centeredness, and entitlement are unattractive. But reasonable confidence is very attractive. Building your confidence and self-esteem is crucial. Going no contact helps you regain your sense of self-worth. When you stop seeking validation from your ex, you begin to realize your own worth. This newfound confidence can be incredibly attractive and may make your ex reconsider their decision. The importance of patience. Patience is a key component of going no contact. Without it, you probably won't last long enough to attract your ex back. It's certainly not an overnight solution. It takes time for your ex to go through the necessary stages of reflection and realization. No contact means delayed gratification. Just because your ex didn't come back today doesn't mean they won't. It's a process that affects your ex psychologically over time. They need to experience life without you and go through the stages of relief, curiosity, concern, and understanding. You are an essential part of what we do on this channel. For this reason, we keep an eye on what you need, and if it is your desire to recover your ex correctly and effectively, you must click on the link below.